Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video we're going to be unboxing my winter FabFitFun box. Yes, we are. Alright, so before we go ahead and jump in, I want to remind you to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button because I do this unboxing right now every quarter. I do look at it ahead of time because maybe I want to cancel it. I don't know. This is a little bit more pricey of a box, but for now, this is my third FabFitFun that I've gotten. Go ahead and hit that like button while you're down there as well. It really does help me out a lot. And one more reminder, I did recently open my own online boutique with my sister. It is called Nimities.com. The link is in the description bar below. If you are interested in buying women's clothing, please go ahead and check it out. I do appreciate it. All right, let's go ahead and get into FabFitFun Winter 2018. So I did cut the tape off. I'm gonna go ahead and get this open, and whoa, that is what it looks like. And then there's the magazine in here. Take that out, and it looks like a big jumbled mess. This is my third FabFitFun box. I think I said that. We'll see. I've actually not had the most luck with this box. My very first box that I ever got, I was missing items, so we'll see. And it was pretty torn up just like this one is. Alright, it always comes with a magazine. It tells you about all of the things that are in the box. It also tells you how to use the items in the box. I know a lot of people really love this box. I'm kind of torn on it. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. I don't know. It's, I don't know. Let's go ahead and go through the box and we can talk about it as we go. I'm going to go ahead and leave this open over here. They do allow you to choose some of your items, and quite honestly, I can't remember what I chose. I honestly don't. As soon as I got the email, I went ahead in and ordered or chose the items, and I just don't remember what it was. It does come with a coupon. It comes with a coupon for $10 off your first box of FabFitFun. It says pass this card on and your friend will get it. I don't know anybody who's personally friends of mine in real life that would be interested in that. So if you would like to get $10 off, there you are. It's definitely not any kind of affiliate link. This is, I guess, in everyone's box because I pay for this box myself. All right, and then I do have a card for HelloFresh as well. $60 off HelloFresh. $20 off your first 3 deliveries plus free shipping. So there you go. What's up, bub?
I just want to say hi to the vlog.
This isn't the vlog. This isn't the vlog. This is my unboxing.
Well, still. Hi.
All right, Nick wanted to say hello to you all, so he's going to say hello and goodbye. I'm going to go ahead and rip open the paper, even though it's kind of already ripped open. All right. I'm just looking through the items in here. I honestly don't remember what's all in here. So go ahead and pull this out. This is from Sherry Matthews Acupuncture. It is a Jade Roller. I actually already have one of these, and this was an item that you could select. I'm not quite sure why I chose this. There were 3 options that you could choose from. It was the Richer Poorer Reina Over the Knee Textured Sock. This one, which is the Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller, or the Pure Be Your Selfie Palette. I haven't had the most luck with Pure palettes, so I know that's why I didn't pick that one. I'm not sure why I picked this over the socks. I don't know, but I already have one of these, so this is actually going to go in my giveaway drawer. It's taped shut. I'm not going to pull it out. Actually, let me grab mine. So this is mine. It's from Zoe Ayla or Isla. I actually haven't opened it. I bought this from Outlook, however you want to say it, a little while ago, and I've just never opened it. So let's go ahead and I'll pull mine out, like I said. I mean, technically they're both mine, but I'm going to pull this one out since I did pick this one out. I mean, a Jade Roller is a Jade Roller, right? I don't know that there's anything like super special about the Sherry Matthews one, but so this is what mine looks like. I think that one is a little bit lighter. I've seen some other unboxings. So there you go. And let's go ahead and read what it says. It says, it's no wonder this anti-aging beauty tool has been used by empresses for centuries. The Jade Roller helps stimulate ki, or energy, and promotes a feeling of facial relaxation. There's a tip. It says gently wipe with an alcohol pad after each use. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway drawer. One of you guys will eventually get it at some point when I do another giveaway. Okay. Let's go ahead and pull this out. This is from the brand Black, BLAQ. So that is what it looks like. Let me see if this is a selection item. No, so this is something that everyone gets this. So this is the hyaluronic acid eye masks. So this is the Black Hydrogel Eye Mask with hyaluronic acid. Is your under eye area puffy or swollen? Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. So I think everybody gets this. It doesn't look like it is an option. So, all right. Let's go ahead and pull this item out right here. This is from Ahava. So this is another item that everyone receives. It's the Hydration Cream Mask. That is what it looks like. All right, and this says it's the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. It's enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. This rich, creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. There's a tip. It says use it as a 3-minute hydration boost or as an overnight sleeping mask. All right. That's pretty cool. Let's see if it has a safety seal. I always like to see if it has safety. Oh, it's actually sealed with plastic around the lid. So that's pretty cool. All right. Next item. Let's go ahead and pull this out. This is from Thrive Cosmetics. I'm actually very interested in this. I'm curious about this brand. I haven't bought anything from this brand before. So it is the Brilliant Eye Brightener with this is the highlighting stick in the shade Stella, which is a champagne shimmer. Okay, it is a stick. It doesn't look like it's a shimmer. Oh, yes, it certainly is. You're not gonna be able to see it on the back of my hand, but that is what that looks like. Okay. All right, so this is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. Infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil, this silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. There's a tip. It says highlight the inner corners of your eyes for a brightening effect. I already have something on my inner corner, so I'm not going to do that right now, but I am very curious to try this out. Like I said, this is one of those brands that I'm very interested in and curious about. All right, let's go ahead and pull this item out right here. This is from Mark and Graham. It is a blanket. I know it's a blanket because I've seen other unboxings. I'm not going to unroll this right now, but this was an alternative. You could either gotten this shade or a white shade. I'll be honest, I'm actually glad I got this shade. I know a lot of people were like, I want the white one. The white one's going to get way too dirty in my house too quickly because, you know, dust. So I'm actually happy that I got this one. Yeah. I am. So this is the Mark and Graham Color Block Throw in Gray Ivory or Natural Ivory. I'm assuming that this is the Natural Ivory one because it looks like the white one has gray stripes. So this is Cozy Up with this woven throw, which features a striped design and cool fringe detailing. There's a tip: hand wash cold and lay flat to dry. That's pretty cool. I am excited about having another blanket in my house because it's cold. It's super cold. All right, next item in here. Let's go ahead and pull this out because I remember actually picking this item. This is from Lily Sadohi, something like that. And this was an alternative item, and I did pick this one. You could have either gotten a jewelry portfolio, which seems to be like everybody, all the unboxings that I saw got the jewelry portfolio. I didn't want that. I wouldn't use it. I don't have very many pieces of jewelry. You could have picked the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I don't use dry shampoo. So I picked this one. This is the Lily Sadohi Silver Circle Necklace. So this says, how gorgeous is this necklace? It's a minimalistic yet statement-making piece with its dainty silver-plated brass chain and chic silver-plated circle pendant. Tip, store it in a velvet, satin, or fabric-lined jewelry pouch like the H. Houston jewelry portfolio, which I didn't get, obviously, because I got this. So I got this because, honestly, it was just super simple. It's definitely like my style of jewelry. And I don't have a ton of jewelry, so I definitely didn't need the jewelry portfolio. I know I saw a couple of unboxings where people were like, this is great for travel. I don't bring jewelry when I travel. In fact, I even leave my wedding bands at home when I travel. So there's that. I don't want to lose them. I don't want to forget them somewhere. I just don't. So I leave everything at home. Jewelry, watches, everything. So, all right, necklace, super cool. Okay. Next item is this one. So this one was another alternative item. I'm pretty sure I picked this. This is, let me tell you what it is. So this is actually like a 2-piece set. It is a headband, like to keep your ears warm, with a nice furry inside. And then it does have gloves. And the thing that I like the most about this, and I'm happy I got this, was that it actually has like a little pouch that is buttoned on the back, and you put this over your fingers and it turns into a mitten. I actually have a couple pairs of these. I really, really like these. I used to go to work in the Washington, D.C. area and take the Metro. And if you're familiar with Washington, D.C. at all, the Metro, you can never be sure if the heating or air conditioning is going to work. So I used to wear a pair of these all the time. The ones I have are a little bit thicker than these, but this is nice. I really, really like this. All right, the next item. Oh, I didn't tell you what the alternative for that could have been. That could have been the Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask. So I'm glad I got this. Okay. Next up is an alternative item. This was for select members, could choose this only. I'm actually really happy that I got this. This is the Elevate 2 essential oils in eucalyptus and sweet orange. The alternative to this was the Anthropology X Myrrh C and Co. Sea Whip Body Cream in coconut sugar. I'm happy I got this. I've been really curious about essential oils. I don't have any, and I've been seeing a lot of people talk about them recently. I'm very, very, very curious about this. So, like I said, it came in sweet orange and eucalyptus. There are the 2 bottles. And I can already smell the sweet orange. I'm pretty sure it's the orange. I'm pretty sure it's the orange. Yeah, it smells super good. I love oranges. I love orange juice. I don't drink orange juice anymore because I was diagnosed as diabetic in the spring, so I don't drink orange juice anymore, and golly gee whiz, I miss it. Okay, so this is the Way of Will Elevate Essential Oil Set, sweet orange and eucalyptus. This one's a sweet orange one. Unlike typical essential oils, these oils can be applied directly onto the skin. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms, while sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. That's pretty cool. And then it says, check out page 20 to learn all the ways you can use the essential oils. I'm just definitely going to have to do that. Like I said, I've been curious about them, and I just haven't really looked into them enough. So, yeah, I'm really curious about that. I'm definitely going to read the magazine to see about that. So I'm really happy I got this over the body cream, because I probably wouldn't have used the body cream. So, yeah, I'm actually really happy about that. Seriously. So I'm sitting here looking, and I'm like, what am I missing? There's something that's like in here. Let me show you the box. So like the whole time that I was going through here, I'm like, what is in this cardboard box? Like, what is it? It's literally just empty. And I dropped the last item that's in my box. So let me grab that real quick, and I'll tell you what it is. All right, this last item is also an alternative item, which I'm really happy I got this item. This is from Bite Beauty. It's an Amuse Bouche lipstick in the shade Meringue. I really like this formula, very much so. I don't have any full size. I have several minis. Oh, this is a beautiful shade too. Yeah, that's the shade. I'm definitely going to use this. I really like this formula. Like I said, I've got a handful of minis that I've gotten in like beauty boxes, and I've bought their little winter kit the last 2 years. They always put out at Christmas time, the holiday kit. I'm really happy I got this. The other options were a Chic and Tonic I'll Coast to That 4-piece coaster set, or the Brooke Burke body sliders, which I'm really happy I didn't get that because I wouldn't use them. So there's that. So this is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue, a high impact lipstick in a peachy nude shade. This lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. It says tip, exfoliate your lips beforehand to create a smooth base for the lipstick. So that is my entire box. This is everything that was in it with all the different alternatives that you could either pick or were given. Let's go ahead back through and I will list everything that I got one more time. I got the Bear Paw headband and gloves, which I'm so happy I got this over the treatment mask. I got the Jade Roller, which is going to go in my giveaway drawer for one of you guys to get. I got the Hava cream mask, which everyone got. The Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener, which everyone got, and I'm excited about that because I've never tried anything from that brand. I've got the Black Hydrogel Eye Masks, which everyone got. And then the Elevate Essential Oils, which I'm really happy I got this over the body cream. The Bite Amuse Bouche lipstick, which again, I'm really happy I got this over the coasters and the body sliders. And then I got the necklace, which I chose, which I'm very happy about. And I'm really happy I got the darker blanket over the lighter blanket. So I'm really happy with this box. I was worried that I wouldn't be. So when I got the opportunity to select my items, I was like kind of looking through what was going to be in the box, and I wasn't super excited about it, to be perfectly honest with you all. I was like, it'll be okay, but maybe not the best. I don't know. It's $50. Is it worth $50? I'm actually really happy with this box. I'm really happy with this box. So anyway, yeah, that's my FabFitFun for winter 2018. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. Do you get FabFitFun? And if you do, what did you get? Did you get any different variants? And what are your thoughts on your products? I know some people really love Oribe. They might really love the dry shampoo. Again, not my thing. Some people would really like the jewelry portfolio. I saw a lot of unboxings from people who get this given to them from FabFitFun, and they really, really like the portfolio. They were really excited about getting that. But overall, I'm really happy with every variant that I got. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!